Where to see the security code of Google account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you want to check out the security code of your Google account, go ahead and follow this quick and easy step. First and foremost, go ahead and launch a Google application. Over here, you can tap on the user icon. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. Once you are in here, scroll until you see the option of security and click on it. Then if you scroll down, you will see this option of security code. Click on it. Then verify using your biometric or your mobile PIN. After which, you'll be able to see two of your security codes. You can use either of the security code. You can also go ahead and check out this process from your phone settings. To do that, all you need to do is head over and tap Open your phone settings. Then scroll down until you find the option of your Google. Then in here, you can tap on your account, then head over to Manage Account and follow the same step as well. So that sums up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.